Hi guys, it's Shazib Afridi from Game Logics, and this is part 43 of our tutorial series how to make a Ludo game in Unity. Okay, so previously we have left things here, so let's start again. So now we need to do the same thing for you can say if red and green are yeah, so if red and green, if they have won the game, if their players are like four of both of these players, four of them have finished their journey and they have won the game, then but the blue one is left. Okay, so and the yellow one and the player turn belongs to what the hell, player turn belongs to the red and or it could be the player turn could have the value of green. Okay, the same thing that we did with the red and blue. Okay, so similarly we need to copy this same thing and change a few things here. So red is okay, blue, green should be green, and this should be green as well. So red and green have won the game, and the player turn should belong to. Okay, so after green, so let's give the player turn to. Should we give it to blue or yellow? Let's give it to blue. Okay, let's give it to blue. Okay, so and now let's check it for red and yellow. Okay, so let's check it for uh, uh, not yellow. Okay, so if they have won the game and total of blue is less than 4, same is the case with the green one. Not 4, come on, man. And the player turn is, oh, what the hell, man? Come on. So this belongs to the red one and no, or it belongs to the the yellow. Okay, then then do the same thing. Red is okay, but change this one to what the hell, man? Yellow, and this one as well. Okay, red and yellow. We've won the game, so the turn should belong to. Uh, yeah, it's okay to. Yeah, it's okay again. Let's give it to blue. Okay, so like red and blue, red and green, red and yellow. So let's check it for blue and green, blue and yellow. Okay, so let's do that. If total blue greater than 3 and total green, okay, if they are greater than 3 and total red is less than 4 and total yellow is less than 4 and the player turn belongs to blue or it belongs to uh, green. Okay, then now I think you understand the code, so I don't need to explain it again and again. Okay, so let's copy this. Then we'll have to change these. So let's change it to, come on, blue, not big, blue. And let's change it to green, green, blue, and green. So let's give the turn to yellow. Okay, so yep. Now let's write it for the uh, blue and yellow. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so blue, if it's greater than 3 and yellow is greater than 3 and red is less than 4 and blue, not blue, uh, yellow, red, blue. Which one is left? Oh, green one. Green. If it's less than 4 and player turn belongs to blue, or it belongs to which one? Yellow. Then do this. Okay, should be blue. Blue. It's already yellow. Hmm, blue and yellow. But let's change this. And this should be blue and blue. Blue. So let's give the turn to red one this time. Okay guys, so this is it for this tutorial, and I don't want my tutorials to have length more than 15 minutes, or I want them to be 10 minutes or 12 to 13 minutes maximum. Okay, so this is it for this tutorial, and if you have any problems or questions, then let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you really like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and press the bell icon for notifications. Okay guys, your support will keep me motivating to upload new videos like this. Okay, so this game is almost done, and I am planning to bring a new series for you guys, a new tutorial series where we will make a color switch game, which is very famous game. Okay, so keep me supporting. Okay, your support means a lot to me. Okay, it will keep me motivating. Otherwise, if you don't support me, then yeah, things can go southways. Okay, so please support me, and see you guys in the next tutorial.